doubles. Came out for a while. Well, I'm in Watsonville, California. This is Driscoll. This is all about berries. It's right along the Pacific Ocean. And Santa Cruz is right next to Watsonville and Salinas. But it's a beautiful place to be. I actually used to live here in Watsonville. You think it's real busy and all that, but it's more into apples and berries. They have weeping willow trees here. And this valley here stays pretty cool because it's along the ocean breeze. On the other side of the mountain, it's 100 degrees. But this facility, I'm picking up strawberries and I'm taking it to Kroger's, Roundy's in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin. And it's Sunday, Labor Day weekend. As you can see, these fields. This road here will take you all the way to 101. You can take 156 to 152 right to I-5. And then you take I-5 north into Sacramento. And then from there, then you take 80 all the way across into Iowa, and then take 380 to 151 all the way into Wisconsin. Looks like they put corn on the edges for fencing. But they grow everything here. But Watsonville is usually for apples and berries. These are all what they call the line trucks. We all wait. Once we get a call, then we just go right to the door and then get the berries. Right now they're picking them out of the fields. Then they bring them here and cool them and then put them in our trucks. And they usually put bags over the pallets and gas them. But it's all about produce here. But everybody comes from all over the United States just to pick up the fruit and leave. This driver check-in right here. Driscoll's been here for a long time. They seem to figure it out. But this place will never see snow. It's always this kind of climate. A little bit colder in the winter, but not too much. 55 degrees. And that's about it. When it's cold, it's very moist. You see all these fields, everything they've done. They just use the environment. You can see they don't even need sprinklers here. But this is the place to actually be perfect climate. Once you see you get fruits and produce, then that's a good place to live. These trucks here come in non-stop. They go out to the fields and they're picking them right now, and they put them in these, and you can see these little straight trucks, and they get them unloaded real quick and get them cooled down. They've just been picked. That's how fresh these fruits are. But before logbook days, I used to take them back in 36 hours, get them right to the water market in Chicago. But now it's about 3 days. It's 3 11-hour shifts to get them back. This one's set for Thursday. That's weird. When I can be back on Tuesday. You don't want to be holding them that much. It's all about hurry up and wait. We got to keep our trailers cool to 32 degrees. And Gilroy's on the other side. Yeah, Gilroy has all the garlic. You go over there, it really smells. But Salinas and Watsonville are the two places that have a lot of produce coming out. But the last time I was here, a couple weeks ago, it was Lost Hills for almonds. But it's back to just waiting. Once they call you and get a door, then away you go. It looks like my truck needs to get cleaned up. More stuff with this company. This one is Double J. And they bought out Holman. They bought out Pine Hill Trucking. And it's a big company I'm in now. That's Leonard's. But we work through Leonard's and Double J Transports in Jackson, Wisconsin. And they bought out Pine Hill, so I'm over there now. We have about 200 trucks, so I like being in a family-owned business, but this one's pretty big. So at least I got my truck still.